Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you how to applying the acrylic nail art design step by step guide. Apply the tips. Find the right size tips for your nails. If the tip does not fit your nails perfectly, file it down to size. A little too small can often looks better than a little too big. Place a dab of glue on the tip from side to side and apply it to your natural nail so that the bottom edge of the acrylic tip is centered halfway down the surface of your nail. Hold it in place for 5 seconds to allow the glue to dry. Do that on all 10 nails, then cut the nails to preferred length. If you accidentally apply the nail tip crook, soak it in water for a few minutes to remove it. Then dry your nails and reapply the nail tip. Use only a small amount of glue that it does not touch your skin. Step number 2 is get the acrylic material ready. Pour the liquid acrylic into the acrylic dish and pour some powder into separate dish. Acrylic is a strong chemical that produces foams that can be toxic. So make sure you are working in well ventilated area. Step number 3 is load the acrylic brush with acrylic. Dip the brush into the acrylic dish, push it all the way down and make sure that all the bubbles goes away. Then brush it against the side of the ball to remove excess liquid. Run the brush through acrylic powder so that a small moist ball collects on the end of brush. You may have to practice a few times to achieve the correct ratio of liquid to powdered acrylic. The small ball of acrylic mixture should be moist and separatable but not too wet. The acrylic should stay on the brush, not drip off the brush. Have proper towels handy in case and need to brush off extra moisture and wipe the brush between strokes so the acrylic does not stick to the brush. Then move to step number 4 is apply a acrylic mixture to your nails. Start at the smile line, the bottom edge of the acrylic tip. Flatten the acrylic ball over the line and brush it down to the tip. Separate the quickly and smoothly so that the transition between your natural nail and the acrylic tip is smooth. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like today's my video, please like and do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.